Next question, seventh question. A cubical vessel contains 27 liters water. Find total surface area of the vessel. We know that for a cubical vessel, the formula for volume is A cube, where A is equal to one edge of the cube. So, the volume of the vessel is equal to A cube, and this is given as equal to 27 liters, where A is equal to one edge or say side of the cube. Okay, so A cube is equal to 27 liters. Now, the conversion from liter to centimeter cube is that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, means our A cube is equal to 27,000 centimeter cube. Now, we know that it is a cube of 30. So, our A is equal to 30, because 30 into 30 into 30, we obtain 27,000. So, our edge of the cubical vessel is 30 centimeter. This also is clear. Now, we want the total surface area of the vessel. So, formula is total surface area of a cube, so of vessel, is equal to 6A square, where A is the side of the cube. So, this is equal to 6 into 30 into 30 centimeter square. So, this is equal to 24 here and 2 zeros, centimeter square, and this is our answer.